General Secretary of the Railway Workers Union, Godwill Ntama, said President Akufo-Addo, responding to concerns on the poor conditions of most retired railway workers, blamed the meager salaries they receive, which translates low pension, and thereby promised to address the issues of salaries for the workers. But the situation, he says, is worsening.
On 19th August 2020, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, at this very premises, in response to concerns raised on the conditions of railway workers after pensions, did indicate that the deplorable pension life of railway workers was as a result of the very low level of salaries, and that he was going to address it. It is regrettable to note that the managing director of the company salary is just over 3,000, not to talk of the rest of the workers. This is a huge challenge and does not motivate workers to give up their belt. In view of that, we would humbly appeal through the Honourable Minister, currently through the Chief Director who's acting for the Minister, to the President as a way of a reminder that the situation has not changed and getting worse, and we plead that the issue is addressed for us.
At the meeting, which also deliberated on critical issues concerning the Ghana Railway Company Limited, Godwill Ntama called for the review of the Railway Act, Act 779, which he says has served its purpose after more than a decade.
We reiterate our call for a review of the Railway Act, Act 779, which has been in existence for more than 10 years and warrants a review. This act was put in place to regulate the railway sector when plans were in place to revamp the railway sector, and GRCL was not going to exist. Therefore, there was a need for an agency to take care of the assets and liabilities of the GRCL, among others. As we speak, GRCL is still a going concern without ownership of any asset, etc. And this is a great worry, hence the need for a review of the Act.
The Minister for Railways Development, Peter Amewu, in an address read on his behalf, noted that the construction of the Western Rail Line has progressed significantly.
Western Railway Line, where the development of the standard gauge commenced in 2018 with the construction of the 22-kilometer section from Kodokro to Manso with funding by the government of Ghana. This project has progressed significantly and is currently about 75% complete and is expected to be fully completed and handed over to the government by the contractor, Mrs. Amandi Holding Limited, before the end of 2022.
The acting managing director of the Ghana Railway Company, Lord Kwanzaa, reiterated the government's desire to revamp the railway sector. For Joy News, in Athalia Kwanzaa, Takoradi.